So we were talking about the definition of humility as helplessness. And helplessness means, or the byproduct of helplessness is dependence on Krishna. I'm helpless, and therefore I depend on Krishna. Or I depend on Krishna because I realize I'm helpless. And we were saying false ego means I can do it myself. Kartaham iti manyate in the Gita. It's a definition of false ego. I do it. And the definition of real ego or humility is Krishna does it. And so we were just talking at the end of the class about being powerless. I am powerless. I am without Krishna, without God, I cannot do this. He is the power that can help me do what I cannot do myself. So then I was saying, well, this is actually the mood of japa. That, because in japa, I'm praying for something which I cannot do myself. Whatever you're praying for, with a pure bhakti, or to bless somebody, or to remove an anartha, or just to empower you to do service, whatever it is that you're praying for, the mood is just what I need, I cannot do on my own, so I'm praying for help. And so that is the underlying mood of japa, and it's coming from the real ego, because the real ego is I'm helpless, and the false ego is like, I don't need help. And if I don't need help, why would I even chant? And I think maybe sometimes when devotees have difficulty chanting is they're losing that mood of I need help. And it's like, why am I chanting? What's the point? It's just this monotonous. But if you're in the mood of I need help, why would you ever stop chanting? Therefore, kirtanya sadahari, 24 hours. Trinadapi sunichina. When I'm humble, it means I need help. When I need help, I always ask for help. Right? So the idea of being able to chant all the time is that I always need help. So I'm always praying for help. So if we approach japa in that mood, that I need help, then it becomes, it's the perfect experience of japa. And it's the real ego. Hare Krishna.